grade 8 kula ngiza khona Davidson is whereby I took my gifts and skills into performing magic. Like bengithanda ukwenza the impossible.
Usifunda phi into ze magic?
I was self-taught actually. So I was known as a magician kwa grade 8. Or isikolo I couldn't finish isikolo. I was one of those trouble kid. As umntwana onenkinga growing up ne. Like mawubona loyo nto like mawuthola that attention. It drives you somehow man. Uthe uphaseka like bengithanda leyo nto man. Everywhere mangifike uphaseka uyovula igate uphaseka like yeah, it was some kind of like seeking attention. Then I noticed two time man. This can't be right. Esikoleni okay uprincipal yena bekangisaba. Bekazi ukuthi lentwana lena amademon makhalayi bangibiza ngomakhalayi. So they thought uthi nginamademon so bekangisaba. Yeah?
Why?
Bengenza magic and then there were rumors ukuthi lo mfana uyanyamalala uyatransforma. Everyone had a story about me. Then I was helping out in the community here and there. And then before I had the accident ukuthi ngize ngiboshwe ke. And the story sami kahle uthi ngigcine sengilapho. Angisibeke from the start. Ngasuka ngabanjwa la Crystal Park. So ukubanjwa kwami Crystal Park there was a merchandise which was stolen engihamba nayo on our position. Bangibambe ngoma 1 ebusuku. So kufika kwami police station it was like ukujoke namaphoyisa. Ukungibamba kwabo bangihlalisa police station yase Crystal Park. That's where they took everything. Abakathatha ama fingerprints anything. So ukungathatha kwabo ama fingerprints I that thing ukuthi hayi ithemba man. Anytime ngingaphuma la kusho ukuthi ayikho serious le ndaba. Okay bangisuse lapho from lapho. Okay I had these few of my tricks nyana engaziwa ngayo lokushini.
Tricks wona.
Ama tricks like I was good at being known as a magician yabo. It's different like there's some tricks okay let's just say ngikwazi ukukhipha manayiti emlomeni those kind of things. So mangifika lapha but okay because lezi zinto lezi azisadingeki la uyakhona. Awusikhiphele ke.
Yini into engadingeki?
Amanaliti. Phela it's a weapon mangifika ejele. Mangifika ejele isiboshwa social naliti siyahlanya. Singakunika 100 rand for inaliti nje ukuthi uyipaste ka okay iweapon lasejele bawenza different ba creative. Khona uthatha i-toothbrush ayiskire kahle ibhoboze. Mina bengikwazi ukukhipha amanaliti like it's a trick of my own I've developed over the years ukuthi ngifunde ejele. Into bengiyenza.
Wakhipha amanaliti.
Aphume emlomeni like it's basearcha like next then ayaphuma
Ilalile.
yeah you so police station wathi hayi mfana lezo zinto zishiye labo ngishiye hawu ngizibuza ukuthi ebani manje amanaliti wami but akunankinga kanti botshelana ngambonke labo khatha
Bebakwazi lapho ukuthi ukwazi ukukhipha amanaliti.
Kuna these green beans lapha elisuke eKasi. So eKasi I'm already known as a magician nanani. So masikhuluma lapha like click at this name ukuthi angiphaseka ngifunde Rivoni. One of them is ukuthi you can't just say uphaseka kwase Rivoni lo beka jump ama building. I was like yeah him loyo. Hayi phaseka kumazi usho magic yabo. So to make things interesting and funny sebangitshela ukuthi nyamalala musinanani like this thing is a skill I developed over the years ukuthi ngizokwazi ukwenza so ngikwazi ukwenza so yabo. Sebangibuza ukuthi nyamalala yenza lo ngithi hayi ngizozama lokho naloko yabo. Asiphikisane bengibanjwe bese 3 engikho 1 yimi intwana yami no drive awu driver sekakhulumile phela ukuthi hayi samba naye sisonke basithathe seBinoni sifike eBinoni angazi introduce ngayenza next naba ke sibathi intamba ukugenda lapha emaselini neintambo zeyicathulo ibhande esabantu asifani kunomuntu onama fears ne uthi mekabona ukuthi kunokuthi ngiyejele ngcono ngizenge ngife so avoid leyo complicated situation manifika lapha intambo ziyaphuma nanani mina basangitshela ukuthi khipha intambo how lesi yangintroduce uthi hayi mfana unali magic kanti kunesestere linye khona lapha sayibiza magic lento selibiza ngokuthakathi hayi uyathakatha wena uzobulala iboshwa uthunyelwe usathana so mina nginotice ukuthi lento le slow by slow builder into a reputation ukuthi hayi untwana unama particular skill set and uyinkinga mekahamba nalentwana yakhe because bayithathe sifa intwana mi ikhubalo yazi musi lento le yokuchintsha ube isilwane angazi ubhodle kanjani bezwa ngathi unebhubezi so manje soyithu sesibhekiwe manje babheka le timer leli bathi wena ugangisa abafana wena hayi seliyabheka ukuthi timer nalo lisho ukuthi hayi akukho kanjalo but going forward like uyabona ukuthi le situation akusabalekeki manje but engqondweni ikhona lento kancane iyavela ukuthi meba ngathi chance yabo ngidobhe ekhaya sengiplanile namajita lapho ukuthi mabasithatha nje ekseni sinyathela lapha esigangeni Binoni left kanti akwenzeki lokho isipinda sivile mase kumele sibe khona okay babuze khona lapha same place la nibhalisa khona bathatha ama fingerprint nanani bathe wena bathi wenza umagic yini into oyenzayo yenza lento bathi uyayenza ngithi hayi bathi ngenza so bathi keeper futhi ngivula umlomo left right phezulu bathi hey ngithi bathi akuphi ayi ngiwakhiphe bathi hayi lento le iyasala vu nazishiyiwe hawu senishamana lento wami okay sharp akunankingi bathi hayi nathi simkhiphisile ukhipha manje so this thing is building up ukuthi hayi man untwana kahle lezi zinto ngathi uyazifactory kune factory la emzimbeni yazo okay first day yami ngihlangana namajita abuye emtapi kube negrotman elingibuzayo ntwana udrive ngithi hayi nanga udriver yayibamba mina bengathi ngidriver ngitshela ukuthi ukhulumela ekutheni kile case lethu maybe uyazi ngecase lethu kanti indaba zamagilo manje yayibamba le ngikhomba ukuthi udriver soyisondele sayidini yodwa ukuthi hayi bayisondeza ngapha bo sekumele iphosa amagilo sevela kimphetha amagilo bathi ngudriver esengibuyela uGrootman hayi Grootman lo udriver wethu eqaleni
drive truck
une truck lesson one land endelula bo azange bayenza ibenzima abathathe kube khona beyile phezulu ibuye bayigaya into zayo hayi ayibona umjito ufithi qha futhi bekile umlungu yomlungu inandithi ithini beyishaya islogan esisnacks the trick is to relax
lengamya apha
apha
nipeyile
lengama lapha kuna privacy sisonke la itoilet la isitoilet akhona isilahla ingaka just this height nje mo apha la ula ngila mangihleli kahle lapha phezulu kwesitulo ngime ngenyawo ngiyakwazi ukubona ukuthi hayi uyaphonsa ndoda hayi ndabana mahloni ke akusinto amajita ayifihlayo ukuthi baya apha hayi into enatural kibo that was the first time ngibona igilo okay ayisiphume kuye lo the trick is to relax bathini bathi okay manje untwana lo bamkhiphe kithi bamkhipha kithi ngaliphi bathi uyi minor underage uye Boksburg sekusele mina no driver ke manje sa masifike eMutapi singena ngale entrance yeyiboshwa vela bo hangimangali masiya lapha ngasemnyango ziyakhumula amajita sewanqunu bathi strip dance futhi baye enjoy lento strip dance eban khumulelani ke manje mina ngazi phela ukuthi mawungena lapha mele bakuseche unqunu leyo driver bayitshelile laba bani ukuthi awuntwana unamanality yazi istory singilandelela until kuphi sengisemtapi kusafuna the same thing engikhiphe emuva yabo bangidonsele sayidini entwana sizwile ngabathi watwati nzinzi next search umlomo intamo next bathi hayi akasena ukuthi aphelile awu chicken nanga lapha sekatshela lezi zakhe ukuthi hayi untwana unamanality yabo sekuzenye lapha ngitshela ukuthi entwana unamanality ngaga 20 khumbula imali ayidingeki phakathi manje ngiyifihla laphi imali first time bangishaya inhloko ke ejele ke lapho because uthi wathi mangigale imali mina ngithathele imali ngigayo chicken yayibona ngimnike inality eyi1 nge20 ngithathe imali ngithi chicken uzongibambela kanti uchicken naye bomchintsha indawo uchicken yoya la yakhona nami ngiyela ngiyakhona zange sambona uchicken ngigcine lapho uchicken ne20 rand yami let's say okay useselapha phakathi usalinda ukugwetshwa kwakho nani awonaqala ne mawulapha phakathi ugwaza umuntu understand usalinda ukugwetshwa ini icala lakho leli la ngaphandle mawugwaza umuntu bafike court bathi hayi you are found not guilty for icala lakho usitshela ukuthi yahamba bakutshela ukuthi hayi mara mele ubuyele eMutapi so kusho ukuthi mawusalindile lapha icala lakho is best ukuthi ubehave ungahlupha abantu ube right fanele ukuthi mawufika lapha athi phakama ngewarden naye ingidi imshaya inhloko uzomshaya inhloko mara the day bathi awukho guilty ecourt iMutapi yokucharge guilty uyongena kanjalo ke like lapha bayaminya wonke umuntu lapha ngifuna ukutshela manga uminyela umuntu uthi angahambi wonke umuntu lapha kuthayela uminyela ukuthi lo angahambi iziminyile zonke lezi last time before ngiyaphakathi I wasn't busy with anything I was a party animal I was different kind of a breed right now into engifuna improve impilo yami for the better I've done the worst empilweni but right now it's about time ukuthi nami ngibe i role model yomunye umuntu ngifuna ukuthi someone somewhere out there athi meka yenza into wrong athi yes if Paseka can change nami I can do it ngifuna someone abone up to me ukuthi if this guy can come from this branch akwazi ukuchinja why can't I? Angifuni ukuthi mangivela always ngibe that person ukuthi I can't look up to him nana ngifuna ukuba some kind of a role model, a role figure. I'm a kind of person who admitayo kwama-fault wami. Ama-fault wami ngawayenza and emaningi. I'm not saying I'm holier than all, but kiko konke lokho I'm glad ukuthi I finally found a way forward ukuthi okay, I can change for the better. Even though the road was not smooth, but the better better expression, better opinion, better mindset, I've got it. And clarity senginayo ukuthi who I am bengazazi. I was just a person running around impressing everyone. Right now umuntu engifuna ukuyimpressa yimi. Every day mangivuka I want to be the better me. Not the better who, the better. I want to be better me. I've noticed ukuthi some of abantu bebafika lana share their stories zangithasha. And they've shown me ukuthi change is always there. You just have to be willing to go for it. So as one of the people obone logo nami I was inspired ukuthi nami let me go. What if lo change mina uhluleke ukuchange uzibani? But what if mina ngachincha yena lo zibani uhluleke ukuchincheka mekabona loyo? Because uzibani maybe said it in a different way. Akayidlandanga direct. But all I'm trying to say ukuthi ngibona abantu bachincha. I didn't believe ukuthi they change they could do it, but ngababona bachincha noma ufollow ama stories wabo yabona ukuthi umuntu uyachincha. So nami ngifuna ukuthi ngibe one of those people aba influence I change, not for the worse but for the better.